The last lecture by Randy Pausch is a powerful reflection on achieving your dreams and the importance of overcoming obstacles. Randy Pausch, a professor diagnosed with terminal cancer, delivers his final lecture titled, Really Achieving Your Childhood Dreams. In his lecture, Randy shares his journey from dreaming of becoming a Disney Imagineer to actually achieving it. He emphasizes the significance of perseverance, hard work, and enabling the dreams of others. Randy's stories highlight the importance of seizing every moment and appreciating the people around you. Through humor, wisdom, and heartfelt anecdotes, Randy inspires us to live our lives to the fullest, face challenges head on, and help others along the way. The last lecture is a celebration of life, teaching us to cherish our dreams and live with purpose, no matter the circumstances.